Hi there, and welcome to this video on Agile project management. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the pros and cons of using Agile as a project management approach, as well as some of the governance limitations that might be encountered in traditional project environments. We'll also talk about how Agile can be applied outside of software environments. So, what is Agile project management? Agile project management is an iterative and flexible approach to project management that emphasizes collaboration, communication, and responding to change. Agile is typically used in software development, but it can also be applied in other industries and project types. The main benefits of Agile project management include increased flexibility and adaptability. Agile teams are able to respond to changing project requirements quickly and efficiently, making it easier to adjust the project's scope, schedule, and budget as needed. Improved team collaboration. Agile methods prioritize teamwork, with frequent check-ins and communication between team members. This helps to ensure that everyone is working towards the same goals and that any issues are addressed in a timely manner. Faster time to market. By delivering working increments of the project in short cycles, Agile teams can deliver value to the customer more quickly. There are some drawbacks to using Agile project management, including lack of predictability. Because Agile relies on continuous feedback and adjustment, it can be difficult to predict the exact outcome of the project. This can make it challenging to set and manage stakeholder expectations. Potential for scope creep. Agile teams are encouraged to be flexible, which can sometimes lead to scope creep if changes are not properly managed. Need for experienced practitioners. Agile requires a significant amount of collaboration, communication, and technical skill, so it may not be the best fit for all teams. Governance limitations. Traditional project management approaches often rely on strict governance processes and hierarchies. This can sometimes make it difficult for teams to be flexible and respond to changes in a timely manner. With Agile, the emphasis is on collaboration and communication, which can help to overcome some of these governance limitations. However, it's important to ensure that the necessary governance controls are still in place to manage risk and ensure project success. While Agile is often associated with software development, the principles of Agile project management can be applied in many other industries, including construction. Agile can help construction teams to improve collaboration, reduce waste, and deliver projects on time and on budget. One way that Agile can be applied in construction is through the use of lean construction methods. Lean construction is an approach that aims to reduce waste and optimize the construction process by focusing on continuous improvement and collaboration. This can be achieved by breaking the project down into smaller, more manageable components and using Agile methods to manage the construction process. For example, instead of waiting until the end of the project to review progress, Agile teams can hold frequent check-ins or sprint reviews to ensure that the work is on track and identify any potential issues. This helps to reduce the risk of delays and cost overruns and ensures that the project is delivered on time and on budget. In addition, Agile can help construction teams to be more flexible and responsive to changing project requirements. By using Agile methods such as daily stand-up meetings and continuous feedback loops, construction teams can quickly identify and respond to changes in the project's scope or timeline. This helps to ensure that the project stays on track and that stakeholders are kept informed of any changes or issues. Overall, Agile project management can be a valuable tool for construction teams looking to improve collaboration, reduce waste, and deliver projects more efficiently. By adapting the Agile approach to the specific needs of the construction project, teams can successfully implement Agile project management and achieve greater project success. In conclusion, Agile project management can offer many benefits, such as increased flexibility, improved collaboration, and faster time to market. However, it's important to be aware of the potential drawbacks and governance limitations that may arise when using Agile. By understanding the strengths and weaknesses of Agile, and adapting the approach to the specific needs of the project, teams can successfully implement Agile project management outside of software environments. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more PM tips.